Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix YouTube something went wrong problem on YouTube. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Open your phone setting. Tap on Wi-Fi. First, check your internet or Wi-Fi connection properly. Go back. Step 2. Again open your phone setting. Scroll down. Tap on apps. Tap on manage apps. Search YouTube application. Tap on YouTube application. Click on storage. Again click on clear data. Tap on clear cache data. Step 3. Open Play Store and update your YouTube application latest version. Step 4. Restart your device. Step 5. Again open your YouTube application. You can follow all of the steps to fix YouTube something went wrong problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.